All right, so I'm done setting questions with the Klacify mobile app, right? Just like we did in the first software, that's Klacify software. I did some questions on English language. Now I want my students to attempt these questions, and I'll be using the Skoolconnect app for them. Right, all you have to do is to click on Get Started. You type in your phone number, you select Next, select your email, then you log in, you search for your school. So I'll be using the Eximal Academy. That was the same account I used to set the question I did the other time. So on your dashboard, right, to connect your students to that question, all you have to do is to select CBT exams. It now says step to start CBT exams. Open the CBT exam typed on Klacify CBT Manager app. Click the link, the button below to scan the exam QR code and all of that. So basically, we're going to scan the code. Now on my other phone, I'm going to select the class I did for GSS2 English language. I'll just tap on the subject. It will bring out a QR code scanner. Then I scan exam code. Once I scan the code, it brings out this instruction, right? So the instruction is as follows: do not start this exam until you are fully prepared to start. Once started, you will be compelled to complete and submit and all of that. So there are a lot of information here you have to read. I actually set 3 questions, 10 minutes allotted, right? The CBT will be started for the students scanned and scores will be uploaded and all of that. So to get started, is either I scan the student's ID card or enter the admission number. So I'm going to look for a student in the Eximal Academy, and I'm going to type in the admission number of the child. So I have PL Kemenye Chuku. So I have 0594 as the admission number of the student. So it brings out the name of the child. It says start CBT exam for PL Kemenye Chuku Iyare. Start. So once you start, the camera turns on automatically and it starts recording. So it brings out the question, select what is a noun. These are the third one. Would you like to submit your paper now? Yes. So once you submit, it brings out your this thing immediately, your score. You got 2 out of 3 questions. So that's it. And this score is usually recorded on the Klacify portal. So on the Klacify portal, you're able to, that section where you have to import scores from previous exams, you will see option to import from CBT. Right, you can import this particular student scores, this particular exam, you can import the score, right, and it will reflect on the student's profile. You can now use that to process this exam, CBT exam, for the child. You can use it to process the CBT report sheet for the child. So that's basically how the CBT for mobile works. We're going to look at how the CBT for web works.